Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video on our digraphs. So in kindergarten, we are learning the 5 foundations digraphs: WH whistle W, CH chin ch, SH ship sh, TH thumb th, and CK sock k. The digraph WH whistle W, you can be seen in the words like when or white, and they're always used at the beginning of a word. The digraph CH chin ch can be seen in words like chick or lunch. Now the CH digraph can be used in the beginning of a word like chick, or it can be used at the end of a word like lunch. Next is the digraph SH ship sh. You can see that digraph used in the word shape and bush. This digraph as well can be used in the beginning of a word like shape, or it can be used at the end of a word like bush. The way that we remember this digraph is putting our finger to our lips and making the shushing sound. So like you're telling somebody to stay quiet. Shh. The next digraph is TH thumb th, and that can be seen in the word 3 or in the word bath. And again, this digraph can be used at the beginning of the word like 3 or at the end of a word like bath. Our last digraph is CK sock. So the k sound is the same as just C and just K. So we know that there's a rule that has to go with this digraph. You can only use the digraph CK if it comes at the end of a word. So if you're saying a word and the last sound you hear is a k sound, you know that you're going to automatically go to your digraph CK, because a word cannot end with just a C and it cannot end with just a K. All our short vowel words have to end with a CK. So, for example, duck and lock. Remember that this digraph is only used at the end of a word. So let's do a little quiz. You tell me, or you practice if you know which digraph belongs to the word. So shoe, shoe. You can pause if you'd like. SH ship sh. Cheese, cheese. CH chin ch, cheese. Next is whale, whale. WH whistle w, whale. Chalk, chalk. So the first digraph that you'll hear in this word is a ch sound, and at the end you'll hear a k sound. So this is actually a trick. There's 2 digraphs. CH and CK. I didn't circle that. Last one is clock, clock. I hear something at the end of my word, clock. At the end of the word clock, you hear the k sound, which tells me that I need to use the digraph CK.